Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well, hope everyone is having an amazing day because I am as usual. And guys, there is just so much happening with Bone. Absolute explosions, everyone is optimistic, positive, and Bone is finally, passing that $1 mark and floating around that $1. If it was floating around 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 before, now it has reached that new milestone, okay, $1, and I haven't seen it go down that much. Obviously, it could have lost a few cents, pennies, gone down to 0.9, but now it's kind of established itself, its new headquarters around that $1 area, and that is all pre-Shibarium and pre any major exchanges listing it. So very, very good stuff. But the question is, what is going to happen next? And here we've got Watcher Guru, okay, that's quite a big news outlet covering cryptos, kind of writing an article and letting us know what's going to happen next. So let's dive deeper into this. So since it's breached $1, here's what's next. Now, they say birds of a feather flock together. This same particular holds true for a bunch of coin pairs like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic from the crypto space. On most occasions in the past, these pairs have seen quite a congruent uptrend and downtrend phases. The same has, however, not been the case with Shiba Inu and its ecosystem's native Bone Shibaswap token. So Bone primarily is a governance token of the Shibaswap ecosystem, meaning it allows the Shiba Inu army to vote on upcoming proposals. Basically, the more Bone a user holds, the more weightage the vote carries in deciding the fate of future endeavors. As depicted below, the initial few weeks of this year were fairly good for Bone, while Shiba Inu comparatively had a rough time. Then again in March, when Shib registered consecutive green candles on the weekly, Bone slumped in value, okay? Right after Bone's recovery phase coincided with Shib's correction. Of late, with the OG tokens consolidating, Bone has been able to make a rapid stride on its chart. So Shiba Inu's Bone gets a new use case. While behind every pump there's always a trigger factor, and this time there's quite a concrete one. The Shibarium documentation along with a public beta testnet is set to be released next month, and hodlers have been looking forward to see to the same. Notably, Bone is said to be the gas token to be used in Shibarium Layer 2, so with the confirmation that Bone will play a major role in Shibarium, the current sentiment is bullish. As chalked out in recent explainer, the Shibarium Layer 2 solution aims to provide faster and more scalable transactions. In the current L1 blockchain, the L2 network, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain, will still be decentralized and maintain the security of its users. So what's next? Bone's volumes have massively spiked up of late. On 1st August, the same was an all-time high of $10.6 million, bringing to light the above par participation of traders. At press time on Tuesday, also the volume was hovering around the highs only, okay? So on 5th August, Bone went to create a local peak at $1.2. Since then, it has considerably shed value per TA. The same was, however, expected. Since the beginning of this year, whenever Bone's RSI has peaked, the price has slashed down by 45 to 64% towards the end of the last week. The metric flashed an all-time high reading of 87.99 on the daily, indicating that the market was highly overbought. There has already been a slight retracement already, and looks like the pullback is likely to continue. Nonetheless, two levels, 0.89 and 0.73, might prove to be crucial in the days to come, for they've acted like reasonable support in the past. Having said that, it doesn't matter. A rally extension for Bone is completely out of the picture. Time and again, tokens from the Shiba Inu ecosystem have lent their ears to the community, so if the hype persists and the hodls continue to amass tokens, then Bone can pull off a 33% rally and reclaim its all-time high. In such a case, in that coming weeks, Bone can be expected to put on its price discovery shoes. So guys, here you have it, an in-depth explanation. So we've got Shibarium, that's on its way. Then they're looking at technical analysis, breaking resistance levels, resistance lines. Very, very interesting stuff, So we've seen that massive pump, but I know a lot of the investors are kind of praying for another low. so they can quickly buy up and load up their bags. Okay, if it's at 0.8, 0.9, a great opportunity to load up the bags, because I don't think it's going to go anything lower than that. Potentially could go down, but still I don't think we're going to see another 0.3. 0.4, 0.5. It's going to be very, very hard. So people are just kind of trying to get whatever they can get, because time is precious at the moment and we're all playing against time. So quickly load up before Shibarium comes out. And also just wanted to make sure that, you know, you guys understand this isn't financial advice. This is for informational purposes. So you guys understand what is going on in the markets, what sort of opportunities we're having, because there are so many things happening with Bone. Also, if you guys, you know, I produced an X Fund video for you guys to understand how important it is. Okay, it's linked to Shibarium, so another big one that's gonna probably explode and take us to some other planet. So at the moment, Bone is looking amazing. And we're only looking up. There's no down. Everyone is looking up, and everyone knows how far it could potentially go. No one knows it 100%, but what we can tell you is we're definitely going in one direction. It's only up, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you at the moon with a lot of money, with your retirement plans drawn up, and with your families very, very happy, because what you're doing is changing your life and those that you love as well, okay? Loved ones' lives, because it just doesn't get better than that. I keep on repeating the same thing, but you have to understand, Bone is so precious. Oh my god, if I had only known before, okay, when it was lower, I would have loaded up even more, because Bone has already tripled and doubled your money, and you're not taking it out, obviously, because you need the big development to come out, but it's just, you know, for a little bit of happiness and a little push of morale, because obviously it's hard when Bone is floating at the same level. You want to see some changes, and you obviously want to see them increase. So, as usual, make sure you join the channel, subscribe, be part of the community. Don't miss out on any info. There's so much I'm producing at the moment, hyping up, motivating the community. So subscribe, like, hit that notifications bell. Also share this video. I want to keep you guys as updated as possible. Also, if you have any thoughts, please leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're doing, where is Bone going. All this info is so important. So be part of this community. I'm very grateful for all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.